Welcome back. In this video, we will cover various ways to manage and update product listings. So here's our product listing for today, and we will cover several ways to edit the information on this listing. So let's hop over into our test store. Under products, here is our listing, and the first thing I'll show you is how to bulk edit the information on the listing itself. So if we select it here, you can click on this button, bulk edit. This manager pops up and we are now able to do a few things. So for example, I can update my description from here. I can update my product category if I wish to. I can update my SKUs, my pricing, my quantity. I can include additional color variations, and I can also toggle on or off several columns over here. Once you've done your updates, don't forget to save. Let's go back and let's hop over into the editor for the listing. So in this listing, let's maybe update the title. So I can update over here. I can add a few more photos. Here are my color variations. I can add some colors here if I wish to. I'll also include the the photo icons for the SKUs themselves, the color variations, and I can also do a little editing for the SEO, which I won't today. Don't forget to save. And now let's go back to the listing. Let's refresh. And the title has been updated. The description has been updated. And if I select the icon, the red color variation, I've got the red photo coming up, and the blue pops up with the blue over here.
Ready to take your e-commerce business to the next level? With OneCart, you get effortless inventory syncing, streamlined listing management, and seamless multi-platform integration. Don't just take our word for it. Hear from our happy customers. Experience the OneCart difference and start your free trial today. Simplify your workflow, grow your business. OneCart, your all-in-one e-commerce solution.